How to create scrolling text in Wix Studio. So first things first, let's go and select one of our websites that we want to add our scrolling text to. We're here, so simply wait for this one to load. And the technique that we're going to do this, or the approach that we're going to do this with, is through embed HTML. So we have one over here. Let's click on edit site over here on the top right, so we can begin editing the appearance or the website. We will be simply importing this code over here. So let me explain this code while we're waiting for our website over here to load. So basically, we're instructing a behavior over here that scrolls. So that moves our text from left to right or right to left or up down or down to up. And over here, we could change the direction that we prefer. We could instruct what kind of direction do you want. So if you want left to right, have the right direction over here. If you want right to left, we're going to input left over here. Having a specific font size is very important, so simply enter the font size that you want over here. You can experiment with this, so you don't need to have, or you don't need to be super precise, so you could just have a test font for now. And then over here, you have your colors, like the font colors. So with this one, ensure or look up any website that allows you to translate any color that you want into a code, and you will be able to get that. And in this section, this is where you're going to put the message that you want to put in your scrolling. So over here, simply click on our add elements over here on the top left. And we're going to enter embed over here and embed code. So it will be added onto our website over here. There we go. So give it a second. There we go. And we're going to enter our code. So we're going to simply enter or copy and paste the code that I have earlier. So let me wait for the pop-up to appear. So we could enter our code over here. So there we go. So simply paste our code over here. Click on update. And as you can see, we'll have a scrolling text in Wix Studio. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.